This is a little tool I made to clean the fuel injection on these new late model bikes with fuel injection on them. This is just an old computer plug that I found in some of my junk that I never throw away. And this is just a momentary contact switch and a 9-volt battery. And this is the adapter tube for the fuel. This was originally like a 5-pin switch, or a plug rather, and I cut it to fit, and it just happens to fit perfectly on the fuel injection plug. The RMZ is actually the Keyhine, but I'm pretty sure that it's probably the same for everything else. I'm going to hook it up and show you how it works. Alright, so here it is hooked up here. The gum out carb cleaner. Got this rigged up adapter here. Plugs into the fuel rail on the fuel injector. And the plug that I showed you earlier plugs into the fuel injector plug on the back here. All you have to do is press the button, opens the fuel injector, hit the switch, hit the carb cleaner, and here we go. And just like that, you've sprayed carb cleaner through your fuel injector and hopefully cleaned it out.